Now, feet just underneath the shoulders. We're going to bring the stick up to the middle of the chest, elbows up. Then you're going to flip the elbows under. You're going to come to standing. You're going to drop down. You're going to flip the elbows back over again, and then lower the stick all the way down to mid-thigh. It's as simple as that. So pull it up, flip the elbows under, stand up, down, flip the elbows over, and lower all the way back down again. All right, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Pull up, elbows go under, elbows go over. Now, what I like to do is use the middle of my chest as a reference point. So can you see the words Gymstick? Yep, so the stick stops at Gymstick and my elbows flip under. And then when I come back, the stick stops at Gymstick and my elbows flip over. And I'm pulling the elbows up as much as I can and relax. So this time, what we're going to do is do a clean and press. So the arms are going to go all the way up. All right, ready? Clean, press, down and over. So lift, press up and come back down. So push a stick all the way up above the head and over. Good work. Whoa. Exhale as you press the stick up above your head. Well done. So breathe out, last one, and relax. Now this time, step to the right, press the right arm up, and then bring your feet together. Here we go. Sit down, press up, and over. So sit down low, push. Good. So think about lengthening out the right arm as you go up. Very good. So come up, press. And you want to think about straightening out that right arm as much as you possibly can. All the way up and relax. Well done. So now let's do that again. We're going to go back to the clean. And you might want to change the distance between your feet. Here we go. Clean, down and over. Yeah, those breaks are short, aren't they? They're not very long. Good. So you want to lift the elbows up high, flip the arms underneath. Now I'm spreading my toes outside my shoes, and you can certainly do this barefoot. Yeah, you don't have to have footwear on to do a Gymstick workout. And relax. Now this time, clean and press. Your arms are going to go all the way above your head, and see if you can shoot up when you do it. Ready? Pull up, press up. And what you might find is now your heart rate's up, right? You're like, whoo, I'm getting warm. There you go. Lift, press up. Good job. So sit back and down, sit back and down. Ooh. So you're fully extending the arms up, breathing out as you go up. Well done. And you're always rolling the elbows over and under. And relax. Start your feet together. Step to the left. Here we go. So step to the left, press up, and come back down. Sit down, push. Good work. Whew. Heart rate's up, so extend that arm all the way out. Good. So sit low, take it up. Well done. You've got this. I'm trying to straighten that left arm as much as I can. And relax. Hold it there.